Today, let's take a look at how to better understand how long it takes for a 3D printer bed to heat up. The larger the bed, the longer it takes naturally, but just how long is that? If you're having prints fail because certain spots are not adhering to the print bed, it could be because that part of the bed is not up to temperature yet. Let's check it out. Here are the printers we're going to be looking at today. The Bambu Labs P1S, the Anycubic Kobra 3, and the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro Max. Let's start out with the Neptune 4 Pro Max. With its large bed size of 420 millimeters by 420 millimeters, it's going to take a bit to heat up. You can see right here that the center is starting to heat well, but the outer edges are not getting there just yet. "30 minutes in, the center of the bed's about 57 degrees Celsius, but the outside's still a little cool, around 49 to 50 degrees. After 1 hour, I think we're about the max we're going to get out of this bed. 53, 55, 52, 54, 51, 50. As long as it's within that 5-degree variable, I think we'll be alright, but I'd still try to keep my prints centered towards the middle of the bed. Up next, we're going to be looking at the Anycubic Kobra 3 with its bed size of 250 by 250 millimeters. It's starting to heat up fast, but you can see quite a few cold spots, especially this back left-hand side, and a couple in the center. After 15 minutes, it's looking pretty good, except for that front and that back left corner. The rest of it's looking pretty even. After about 30 minutes, I think we're about as good as we're going to get on this one. It just doesn't have enough heating towards the edges back there, but we're still right above 50 degrees. I think would be okay to run some prints. And last, we have the Bambu Labs P1S with its 256 by 256 bed size. "15 minutes in and things are looking great. A lot of even heating. Don't see a lot of cold spots. Looking good. The enclosure definitely helps with that as well." So we can see that depending on your printer setup, heat up times can vary quite a bit. Larger bed, you probably better give it some more time. Smaller bed, 15 to 30 minutes will probably be fine. Smaller enclosed printer, 15 minutes and you're probably about good to go. Now, of course, not all filaments need hot beds. PLA is typically not picky at all, but depending on the filament type, this may have been good info to know. Well, that's it for this one. Hopefully it helps someone else out who is wondering the same thing I was. Have a good one.